I don't know. Oh no, not another hill. Please. It's just a cave. And an old lady used to live in it in the 1600s. It's not a UFO thing. But look at these, look. More of this rock. It's not soil, it's rock. Oh, dearie me, this is difficult. I am feeling a bit anxious about my van, but I've got to think it's on a National Trust car park. People are coming and going. It's going to be alright. That's the only reason why I want to go back. But I'm going to go all the way around. I'm not even halfway yet. I mean, these signs are alright. These signs to tell you. These little arrows to tell you where the... Let me say there. These arrows are fine. But I wish they would say how much longer you've got to go before you get to your destination. You know, like a little marker. Public right away. I don't know if the horses get them down here. I guess that's how they used to travel. See? Can you see that? There's another path up there. And that's where I've come from. But I've got to go downhill again. And then uphill again. This is a long road. Actually, mountain bike is the best way to travel on this. Or a horse. Make a horse do it. Yeah, that would be nice. Ride a horse. But then I wouldn't be that cruel to put it through that track. That'd be awful. I wonder if the way back on the other side is going to be any better. Oh, look. They do actually come down here. See? Horses. Horses' hooves. Back and forth. That's where the 25% of the wood cutting is taking place. Look. All down here. Yeah. We've got all these things cut around here. Look. They said it would be a bit of a mess, but I guess that's the stuff that they're leaving there for the bugs over winter. Trouble is, they'll come and collect them in a couple of years' time, and all those bugs made that home. And, you know, and then they'll go and kill them all. So, what was the point in that? More trees cut down. But, oh, all along here. All along the pathway. Maybe it's people then have demanded this. Well, I guess if you want to keep these things open for people to explore, then you have to do this, I guess. Cut all these trees down. And I think they're ash, aren't they? I used to have one of those in my garden. Oh, what's that doing here? The fir tree. This is why it's not natural, because they don't, you know, this is where all the cutting down is going on. How on earth do they get all the equipment up here? In a cart maybe, or one of these little 4x4 things? Think about it, okay? I'm an idiot sometimes. Yeah, all the way around here, this is where they're cutting the trees down. You see. Oh, another doggy. Another doggy. Hello. That's heartening to see another person. Oh, he's going off the other way. Yeah, this explanation again about the trees. Creating woodland rides. Huh? is a ride. Rides are open sunny corridors through the woodland where we've removed taller trees to allow more light in. That isn't what it said before, is it? It said a different thing. There. Yeah, it's different. Oh, somebody's put some dandelions there. Well, that's heartening to see another person. And we've got another sign. So I could either go back or I can carry on. Might as well, while I'm here. When you see all of this, okay, and you see all of that felling the trees, and you see all this open woodland, and you look around and you think, why on earth do they want to put a gate there? What's the point in that? Stop people walking up there? It's got a padlock on it as well. I mean, what's to stop people going around? Oh, there's a fence there, I guess, but there's no fence. Oh, there is. Fence there. Why do they want to fence that off? So that's curious to me. All this open woodland, and then that bit is all fenced off. Strange. Ask questions again. And it's barbed wire fence as well. Definitely want to keep people out. And this looks like the walks I go on as a child. Well, I went on as a child. So that makes me feel a bit more happy. Why is all that dead? That shouldn't be dead, should it? That's fern. Maybe they put that up. Look, if dog owners have to pick up after their dogs, why don't horse? Huh? Stop, pick it up, put it in a bag. But then they say, oh look, that's dead as well. It's been cut down. It's a new fence, that's why. So that's a danger. I don't know what it says. Can't see. I should have brought my binoculars with me. Danger, keep out. Why? Because it gives us a clue as to what is there. It's another rock thing. Something they don't want us to know. Maybe that gives us a clue of what's there. There's another trail down there, but this is the one I'm following. More tree cutting down, is it? Creating sandy scrapes to make underground homes for bees. Oh, dearie me. We're scraping back the bracken here to create bare sandy ground for bees and other insects to burrow into. Bare sand is an important part of the patchwork of heathland habitats, along with plants like heather, gorse, bracken and trees. They just block this landscape off. It's been surviving for thousands of years. And they block it off so people can't get access to it. That's all it is. Nothing to do with the insects or the bees. Is that the scraping and the sand they're talking about? It's horrible. And why is this all blocked off? It's more caves, isn't it? Danger of rock face and building collapse. Seriously? I don't think so. Well, this is more like the kind of pathway that people like to walk on. I hope they haven't locked off that other cave system that they said was on the map. And that was in there. There's another little chair there. I suppose you could sit there and look at that view. Not me, that. It's a lovely view. Oh. Which way am I going now? Straight up. Up in into the sky. Pointing up into the sky. Not there.